welcome to this, our second and hopefully our last PAM Awards ceremony in the ether. Sadly, this is the only place where we are allowed to gather together to celebrate the very best across the UK and Crown Dependency's wealth management sectors. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank our loyal sponsors, BNY Mellon Pershing, Platform Securities and Louis Roederer, without whom, quite simply, we wouldn't have been able to put on this evening. I'm delighted to welcome so many of you, and I very much hope that you all enjoyed this virtual gala event, even if it's not quite like the real thing. I don't know what it's been like for you, but we've barely had time to reflect on the last year. Unlike many other sectors, up to now, the wealth management community has had a relatively good crisis, with many firms reporting record revenues, reduced costs, and bumper profits. The question is, what consequences there will be as a result of central bankers' lack of restraint over the past year, and just how long these will last. It feels as though we're just at that moment before dawn, as the sun begins to rise after an all-night binge of ordering shots and vintage champagne on credit. As the bar closes and the first jarring thud of Thor's hammer starts bashing its way out of our heads, there is a large bill to be paid. Just what the economic equivalent of rehydration and detox looks like, we do not yet know. But let's not dwell on the challenges that lie ahead. We're here to celebrate the achievements of the preeminent firms across the UK and Crown Dependency's wealth management sector. Those organisations that are leading their peers in delivering the best and most consistent real client outcomes across investment performance and service, whether it be through innovation, embracing digital service delivery, sustainable investing, or the positive impact they have on their communities and wider society. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank all of our entrants for the many excellent submissions you've put forward this year. Once again, our finalist entries were truly outstanding, demonstrating the dedication and unswerving focus that leading organisations have on helping clients navigate the complexities of significant wealth, especially in a particularly challenging year. The judges were delighted to see a strong collection of original entries in the innovation category. So well done to all those firms that demonstrated that they're focused on finding new ways to enhance their client service propositions. Over the past year, the move to remote working has led to longer days sitting at our desks. So I know you will all join me in thanking our distinguished panel of judges for their unswerving diligence in evaluating your entries. This year's entries produced some vigorous debate and more than a few headaches, with some categories too close to easily call. In particular, Graham Harrison and his team at ARC have once again crunched their way through mountains of your data with super efficiency and enabled us to pick out some outstanding winners from one of the largest fields of entrants across the investment performance entries in recent years. I'd also like to say a very special thank you to Catherine Stokes and everyone at PAM Insight who's been involved in bringing everything together so seamlessly for tonight's virtual ceremony. Work behind the scenes is what makes this annual gathering so special. Okay, you'll be happy to hear that's it from me. It's time for the moment you've all been waiting for. Ladies and gentlemen, let the 2021 PAM Awards begin. I'm delighted to welcome the one and only Graham Harrison, co-founder and group managing director of ARC Group, to run us through the runners and riders for this year's Investment Performance Awards, which are presented this evening in association with ARC. Graham, over to you.
Just before we hand over to Graham, here's a quick message from our sponsors.
Thank you, James, and good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We begin with the 4 Investment Performance Awards, and these remain the most heavily contested of all the PAM Award categories. Each award covers one of the 4 core investment mandates or portfolios typically offered to clients by wealth managers: cautious, defensive, growth, and high growth. Each award category covers a specific level or range of risk relative to global equities. The list of finalists and award winners is selected on the basis of their track record in generating consistent, superior risk-adjusted returns over the previous 3-year period. In the case of the cautious, defensive and growth categories, entries are multi-asset class solutions. In the high growth category, equity-only solutions are permissible. So let's begin with investment performance cautious portfolios. This is the least volatile in relative terms of the 4 investment categories. The search for yield during an ongoing period of financial repression and monetary accommodation has continued to challenge entrants in this award category as clients move further along the risk curve seeking to generate returns. Nonetheless, the panel has identified 5 finalists from the entrants in this category, and those finalists are Barclays Private Bank, Julius Baer International, Nedwealth Investments, Sanlam Private Wealth, and Waverton Investment Management. I am pleased to announce the winner is Barclays Private Bank.
Graham, I'm really proud to accept this award on behalf of the team here at Barclays Private Bank. We're a well-established and long-standing team, and this award is great recognition of the work that we've been doing over time to evolve and improve our investment process. But most important of all, of course, this reflects the great results that we have been able to deliver for our clients over a number of years now. So thank you, PAM, for this prestigious award.
Now we have investment performance defensive portfolios. Defensive mandates are probably the nearest equivalent to the balanced multi-asset class portfolios that used to account for the bulk of a private client investment manager's assets under management. Along with growth, this category easily attracts the most entrants of any PAM award category, with a very large number of firms again entering this year. Reflecting the strength of competition this year, the panel identified 7 finalists in this category. These are Albert E. Sharp, Arkwright, Barclays Private Bank, Julius Baer International, Odie Wealth, Saracen and Partners, and Tyndall Investment Management. And the winner is, again, Barclays Private Bank.
Fantastic to win the Investment Performance Award for Defensive Portfolio. We're into our 16th year of managing the strategy, so to win the awards this evening for cautious and defensive portfolio performance just shows the consistency that we've been able to deliver value to our clients. And I think the key to that is our focus on constructing portfolios around high conviction positions in fantastic businesses with genuine diversification. So thank you, Pam, for recognising this.
Now we come on to investment performance growth portfolios. This award category has generated increased interest over recent years for obvious reasons, as clients have moved up the risk curve in search of higher returns. As a result, the panel identified 6 finalists from the large number of firms that entered this category. Those finalists are Arkwright, Aberdeen Standard Capital, Barclays Private Bank, Julius Baer International, Tribe Impact Capital, and Veritas Investment Management. And the winner is Veritas Investment Management.
Thank you very much indeed to all the PAM judges for the Growth Category Award. We're all absolutely delighted at Veritas. There's a lot of fantastic investment houses within our industry. So quite frankly for us this is humbling, so thank you. And thank you too to the investment team at Veritas and the operational team and the business support teams. What an incredible achievement. Very well done to you. I think that makes it five in a trot, which is incredible. I know what everybody at Veritas is thinking. We'll never be able to do that again. But let's try our best. Let's keep focusing on real returns and all those great engagements we've been having with companies in recent years, which hopefully go some way to making the world more sustainable. Thank you very much indeed, Pam.
So we come to the last investment performance category, high growth portfolios. This category covers portfolios unconstrained by any risk or asset allocation parameters, with the emphasis placed purely on generating sustainable, consistent returns over a rolling 3-year period. The panel identified the following 5 firms as finalists from those that entered this category. They are Arkwright, Barclays Private Bank, Cerno Capital, Stonehage Fleming, and Veritas Investment Management. And the winner is, for the first time, Cerno Capital.
Well, this is a terrific honour. Thank you so much to the PAM judges for this award. We are really thrilled to have won it for this high growth category. The PAM Awards are always held in such high regard throughout this industry, and this is a really tough category to win. So congratulations to the other finalists as well. And I'm accepting this on behalf of the investment team, who sadly can't be here tonight. But this award really is testament to all of the hard work over the last year and beyond, not only on this strategy, but also across our other strategies, our Pacific and global multi-asset strategy. And the team have worked so diligently over lockdown, and they've produced these tremendous results. So we are really excited to be accepting this today. It's an exciting stage in the growth of Cerno Capital, and we very much look forward to the future. So thank you, PAM judges. We really appreciate this. Thank you.
My sincere congratulations to all of the finalists and, of course, the winners of the Investment Performance Award categories. I will now hand over to John Elder, who chairs the subcommittee for the Emerging Manager Award category.
And just before we hear from John, here's a quick message from our sponsors.
you, Graham. Now we turn our attention to the qualitative PAM Award categories, the first of which is the Emerging Manager Award, kindly sponsored by Champagne Louis Rodier. This category focuses on new and emerging managers, a market segment often overlooked in awards programmes, despite the fact that many of these firms are growing successfully as well as developing new business models to serve their clients. Despite the perpetual concerns over consolidation, the UK and Crown Dependency's wealth management markets continue to spawn new and innovative firms, as well as those that provide a more traditional service to clients. Some of these firms may become the market leaders of the future. The panel identified the following finalists from the entrants that met the criteria. These are Arvella, Lincoln Private Investment Office, Tyndall Investment Management. And the winner is Lincoln Private Investment Office. Congratulations to Ross and the team at Lincoln.
Well, thank you very much indeed. We're absolutely delighted to win this award. Thank you to PAM for the support we've received over the last few years. Thank you too for the judges for this decision. We note in the programme that Emerging Manager is not just for new managers, it's for developing managers too. That's exactly where we see ourselves at this stage. We're delighted with progress as far as assets and revenue, but I'm sure, like many of you, it's really our focus on service and performance that we really feel we've made great steps forward. I feel this award is not just for us, it's for all the new generation of private investment offices, genuinely independent wealth management firms. We really are hugely appreciative of the recognition we've received, and we'd like to thank you all and wish everyone here a wonderful evening. Thank you very much indeed.
I'm now going to hand you across to Neil Husbands, who chairs this panel's subcommittee for Sustainable Investment Solutions.
Thank you, John, and good evening. Kindly sponsored by Fundi, the Sustainable Investment Solutions Award has become one of the most hotly contested categories as wealth managers respond to the growing concerns of clients about climate change, resource depletion, and other sustainability challenges. In identifying finalists along with a winner, the judging panel takes account of a number of factors, such as the extent to which sustainability is fully embedded into the investment process, the quality of reporting against UN Sustainable Development Goals, and the ability to influence change through governance and stewardship. Against these criteria, the following firms were selected as finalists: Aberdeen Standard Capital, EQ Investors, Lombard Odier, Saracen and Partners. And I am delighted to confirm that the winner is Aberdeen Standard Capital.
Thank you very much. We are absolutely delighted to win this award, and for a second time, which is amazing. At Aberdeen Standard Capital, we endeavour to offer solutions and a service that will empower clients to make more purposeful investment choices, to help drive the momentum required to move the world and our industry onto a more sustainable path for future generations. Clients are at the heart of everything we do, every investment decision. And as their requirements broaden out to include specific values or to have a positive impact on the world, we are focused on evidencing what we do to ensure a high degree of integrity. Well, with this award, we couldn't ask for a more welcome piece of evidence to signal that we are on the right path. This is a big team effort within Aberdeen Standard Capital and also through collaboration with our colleagues in the wider organisation, and we are deeply honoured by this recognition. Thank you again.
I now pass the baton on to Mike Farley, a member of the subcommittee for the Innovation Award. Over to you, Mike.
As John has just said, the third of our qualitative award categories tonight is Innovation, kindly sponsored by Platform Securities. Once again, this category attracted an eclectic selection of entries from both new and longer established firms, encapsulating a very wide range of product and service innovations. Refreshingly this year, the panel was very pleased to see some groundbreaking sector innovations, some of which have the potential to shape the future development across our industry. The panel selected the following outstanding finalists that satisfied the criteria for the Innovation Award. These are Arvella, City Private Bank, HSBC Private Bank, Kleinwert Hambro, Lombard Odier, Nedbank Private Wealth, and the winner is Arvella.
We are super thrilled and honored to receive this award. A big thank you to James and the PAM team for hosting this amazing event, and of course to the judges for their dedication and time in evaluating the many entries. We worked 3 years on our entry, which is in essence a science-based framework for transitioning client portfolios to net zero. As part of this, we helped design degree warming metrics for thousands of companies so we could figure out where they all sit on the pathway to net zero. And we also built a three-dimensional portfolio optimization tool to embed the climate impact created by all these companies into portfolio construction alongside risk and return. And we actually think that 3D tools is the way forward for any client discussion rather than just a focus on risk and return alone. This really is an award for the whole Arvella team who have worked tirelessly on this project. Also, none of this would have been possible without the families who have been with us from the outset or the guidance from the board. And we're very, very grateful for their support. On behalf of all of us, thank you again.
I would now like to welcome Anna Lane, the subcommittee chair for our next award, which is Digital Wealth Proposition. Anna.
Thank you, Mike. The Digital Wealth Proposition Award focuses on the avalanche of new products, processes and concepts unleashed by digitalisation and the ongoing fintech revolution that's beginning to transform the wealth management landscape. The PAM judging panel identified the following finalists that have made waves in this respect. They are Close Brothers Asset Management, EQ Investors, Insignis Asset Management. And the winner is Close Brothers Asset Management.
I couldn't be more pleased. For all of us at Close Brothers Asset Management, the PAM Awards are the ones you want to win, you try to win, and when you've won one, it means so much. Thank you so very much from everybody at CPAM.
Many congratulations to Close Brothers. A word from the judging panel. We felt that your offering was truly integrated, very client-centric. You've been doing this for a number of years. You've had huge take-up and usage last year. You should feel very proud. Your clients clearly really value this service and proposition. Thank you and well done again. Now it's time to hand over to Steve McMahon, who sits on both our subcommittees for client service quality, high net worth and ultra high net worth.
Good evening, everyone. The first of these two awards focuses on the ability of a firm to provide outstanding service quality consistently for clients with up to 50 million of investable assets. The PAM Awards judging panel paid particular attention to a number of factors in assessing the entries. These included the quality and clarity of reporting, staff to client ratios, staff turnover rates, new business gains, and the attentiveness of firms in monitoring, listening to, anticipating, and responding to clients' concerns and needs. We identified the following companies who stood out from their peers as finalists. These are Charles Stanley, Saracen & Partners, and Waverton Investment Management. We would also like to commend Berenberg for their excellent entry. Tonight's winner has won this award before and has regularly appeared as a finalist, demonstrating consistency over time. That firm is Saracen and Partners.
Thank you so much. The whole team at Saracen and Partners is absolutely thrilled to have won a PAM Award for client service quality for the second year in a row. The client experience at Saracen and Partners is about the investment philosophy, it's about the people, and it's about providing high quality information to our clients on their investment portfolios. And we've been making huge investments in those areas as our business grows. And so thank you to the judging panel for the award, and thank you to James and the rest of the team at PAM Insight for a fantastic evening at the 2021 PAM Awards.
Many congratulations to Saracen and Partners. Now we come to client service quality ultra high net worth, kindly sponsored by the WealthNet, which covers firms that cater to the often more complex needs of very rich clients with assets of more than 50 million. The panel identified the following finalists: Capital Generation Partners, City Private Bank, Mirabeau, and Saracen and Partners. And the winner, for the third year in a row, is Capital Generation Partners.
Hello everybody, amazing, the third year in a row, we're thrilled. I know that Howard and Michelle will be particularly excited to have won this. I know we all do this for our day job, we allocate our clients' capital and we worry about doing the best job in terms of investment returns, but also there's another element which is delivering to the client service needs and understanding exactly how clients feel. And I'm so excited that we've been recognised for tapping into that and delivering. So thank you so much, PAM judges. We're thrilled.
Well done to the team at CapGen. Now please welcome Claire Evans, Chair of the Positive Impact Award Subcommittee.
Thank you, Steve, and good evening, everyone. As implied by the title, this award, kindly sponsored by ePrivate Client, focuses on all the efforts that wealth management businesses are making on behalf of all their stakeholders, along with the wider community, to help create a better environment in which to live and work. And this year's finalists are Aberdeen Standard Capital, City Private Bank, and Deutsche Bank Wealth Management. As well as submitting a really fulsome response to the requirements of this category, the winning entrant impressed the judges with their down-to-earth approach, and of particular note was the inclusion of a junior team member in the drafting of the submission and the follow-up presentation to the panel. I'm delighted to announce that the winner of the Positive Impact Award is Deutsche Bank Wealth Management.
Thank you, PAM judges, so much for this award, which means a very great deal to all of us at Deutsche Bank Wealth Management, here in the UK and around the world. We were already thrilled to have been nominated. In my book, nominations really do count. And of course it feels great to have won, not least because this is the first time that DB has won a PAM award. Positive impact, I think, has never been in such demand as it has been this past year, when so many challenges came together to confront us simultaneously and aggressively. The pandemic, of course, has shaken us and has exposed further the challenges of gender, race, income and health inequality. Climate change is a clear and present danger. And we know that we cannot leave all of these challenges to governments, which is why I'm so proud of all those in the International Private Bank team who've risen to the positive impact challenge and who have shown through their actions that they really do care about inclusion about sustainability, about communities, about anti-racism. And it is on their behalf and the great charities that we support here in the UK, Born to Be, Made for Good and Hospice UK, that I am pleased and proud to accept this award tonight.
Many congratulations to Deutsche Bank. Now over to Nick Veazey, Chair of the Total Wealth Planning High Net Worth Subcommittee.
Thank you, Claire. Kindly sponsored by BNY Mellon Pershing, this award focuses on companies that provide the best wealth and financial planning advice and propositions to clients with up to 50 million of wealth to help them to realise their aims and objectives. The PAM judging panel noted the quality of the entries this year was very high and identified the following 4 firms as finalists: Close Brothers Asset Management, EFG Private Bank, James Hambro and Partners, Nordbank Private Wealth. The winner was able to demonstrate their capabilities across the full range of the award criteria and has continued to develop their client proposition during the year. So without further ado, the winner for the second year in succession is James Hambro and Partners.
Of all of the industry awards, it's a great honour to be nominated even as a finalist for a PAM award due to the high level of competition and the rigorous process that the judging panel goes through in order to determine their finalists. Therefore, we're thrilled to be winners of the Total Wealth Planning category for the second year in a row. Winning this category is particularly rewarding as it reflects the hard work of all of the members of the team, both on the investment management side and also the wealth planning side of the business, and endorses our ambition to deliver a fully integrated total wealth planning solution for our clients. And so a very big thank you to all of the team at James Hambro who've worked so hard during a very challenging period, and also many thanks to everybody at PAM and in particular the judging panel for all of their hard work in bringing the awards ceremony together and going through the exhaustive process of sifting through all of the submissions. Many thanks and best wishes.
Congratulations. I would now like to introduce Graham Chambers, who chairs the Total Wealth Solutions Provider Ultra High Net Wealth category, to announce the final award of the evening.
Many thanks, Nick. Total Wealth Solutions Provider Ultra High Net Worth also covers many of the areas encapsulated in the previous award. The difference being that it focuses on clients with assets of more than £50 million. The judging panel identified the following finalists: Capital Generation Partners, City Private Bank, HSBC Private Bank, Stonehage Fleming. And the winner is City Private Bank. Congratulations, City.
Evening. My name's Jeremy Noland. I'm the UK Regional Head for City Private Bank, and I'm absolutely delighted, thrilled, and very proud to accept on behalf of the whole of the City UK team tonight's award, the Total Wealth Solutions Provider for Ultra High Net Worth clients. At City, we pride ourselves on delivering a unique and bespoke proposition to all of our clients, and where appropriate, if they have their family offices, to serve them also in a proactive, timely and meaningful way. So the recognition from the PAM judges is a real endorsement to our approach, and we're particularly pleased to receive it during such a sort of challenging 12-month period. So thank you to PAM, thank you to the judges. We hope to see everyone in person at next year's awards, where hopefully we can physically toast a glass to each other. So thank you, very proud, and have a great evening.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's another PAM Awards done and dusted for another year. Congratulations to our winners. Congratulations also to our finalists. Thanks to our sponsors, BNY Mellon Pershing and Platform Securities. Thanks to our fabulous judging panel and to Graham Harrison and his team at ARC. And a big thank you to Catherine Stokes and Emily Woolwich-Steele for all the hard work they've done behind the scenes, making this evening possible. Fantastic. The bar is apparently closed, but I do hope that some of you, or indeed as many of you as you would like, will stay with us for a while longer on the tables that you arrived at when the evening began. We are here for as long as you care to stay with us. In the meantime, stay well, and I look forward to welcoming you all again in person next year. Thank you and good evening.